Hey guys, it's Maggie. I know it's been a while, but I just wanted to show you guys what I put on my face so it doesn't end up on the floor because of the Toronto weather and all the heat that's been going on. So if you want to see what I do, keep on watching. So first, I'm going to moisturize. I'm using handy Gurugu, and it's a hand cream from Lush, but it's really good for my skin type, which is really weird. Then I'm just doing my brows normally with the NYX frame, and I find that you can go into water with this guy and your brows are still punched on, so that's why it's good in combating all the sweat and nastiness. Then I'm setting it all with a nasty Urban Decay brow gel from like ages ago. And of course, cannot forget the SPF. Gotta put that all over my face. I'm using like this random one from, I don't know, like the drugstore. So it does the job really well. It's like SPF 60. So after all my sunscreen's been rubbed in, I'm going in with the Nivea Aftershave Balm. And this has been an old favorite, but it's really good in the sense that it's really cooling. And after I'm putting the NYX Photoloving primer on top, I know so many primers. This is supposedly a dupe for the Smashbox one, and I'd say it does the job well. That's the other one. And for foundation, I'm going in with the Ordinary foundation in 1.2Y, light with yellow undertones, in case y'all wonder. I really use this for the color match, to be honest, and just dot this around the perimeters of my face, down to your neck. Then I'm blending it out with a beauty sponge, because, yeah. And then I find that less is more in the summer, especially with the heat, so I'm going in with the MakeupForever foundation stick in Y225. It is a little bit lighter on me, that's why I'm using it as a concealer, but I'm just spreading it with a brush so I get the most even application. And then of course putting under my eyebrows, clean that up so I look hella good, you know the drill. I find that this product is a little heavier, so I tend to go a lot less with it, hence why I'm using it as a concealer. Then after I look like I have war paint all over my face, I'm going to blend that out after waiting a couple of minutes with the beauty blender. Then after all that is blended, I'm just setting in my face with the Kat Von D setting spray, and then putting some lip balm on so I can get rid of foundation lips, because that is just not a good look, like in any way. Then gonna powder with the NYX No Filter Powder. I find that this does give you more of a summer glow, and it's not too heavy, because I don't think you should bake in the summer. I think that's really excessive unless like you're going for that look. And then I'm bronzing / contouring with the Kat Von D contour palette, and I tend to go really ham. Like, I know this looks like there's two like brown streaks on my face, but I tend to do that for the more bronzed look, and I'm just blending that out with the Real Techniques buffing brush, get a little bit more natural of a look. And then I'm just going in with my contour powder for my nose. I like to put it on the tip and the eyebrow area and then blend it downwards, that way it's more natural. Then to seal everything in, I'm just going in with the NARS Contour Blush palette. I'm just blending in my contour and my face powder and all that stuff. Then going in with the Clinique Chubby stick in Amped Up Apple, I think that's what it's called. So I find the best way to use this product is to put it on a beauty sponge and then put it directly on your skin. That way you don't move the product that's underneath. So that's what I'm doing. So after that, I'm going in with the MAC Skin Finish in Beaming Blush and the MakeupForever powder in number 15. They're both more pinky golden tones, just highlighting on my face to intensify that glow that we all want in the summer. Going back with my setting spray again, I'm just setting my face again, and then patting all that in with a beauty blender. Last but not least, gotta put down the lashes. Every single time I put on my lashes, after that I feel like such a bad bitch. Sorry, language for all you young ones watching. But see, like, I don't know, it's just a thing. I don't know. after I put on my lashes, I always boost them up at the roots. I feel like this is like an Asian beauty hack, you know, because we have more hooded lids, so to boost them up after they're like half dried ensures that they're more upwards and not more straight down. Here I am fixing my lashes again for like the billionth time. But yeah, after that, going in with some lip balm again, because foundation lips, of course. Then another thing I started doing more often in the summer because of the heat and the UV rays and all that jazz, I'm putting on Lush's elbow grease onto all my tattoos. And all my tattoos are pretty much healed at this point. I wouldn't recommend you putting this on like freshly healed tattoos. I'm going back in with the Chubby stick again, just on my lips, because nobody has time for lipstick. Then going in with the same sunscreen before with the SPF of 60 and just rubbing all that in. I make sure to do this before I leave the house and when I'm doing my makeup too, just so like my tattoos won't age weirdly in a way. And then I'm using the Jo Malone's Blackberry and Bay, I believe. And this one's an oil, and I just like putting it all over my hair so it's like more slicked down and neat without me having to straighten it, because I'm a little lazy, I'm not gonna lie. So after you're done all of that, then you are finished. Yay! Thanks so much for watching my video. This is how to get the Lil Honey Mag's Chuesday summer glow thing and survive the Toronto weather. If you like this video, subscribe to me. So sorry I don't post regularly because of school and work and stuff, but for all you guys who stick around with me, you guys are the real ones. Enjoy the rest of your day and see you in the next one. Bye.